Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to avoid Chase Bank monthly fees. So you can avoid Chase Bank monthly service fees by meeting the fee waiver requirement for your specific account. Option 1 would be if you have $250 plus in qualifying electronic deposits, or option 2, an account owner who is age 17 to 24. Qualifying electronic deposit include payment from your employer or government entities, benefit tax refunds, etc. made using the ACH network, real-time payment service, or third-party services that facilitate payments to your debit card using the Visa or MasterCard network. And transactions such as Zelle, cash, checks, wire transfers, and interest payments do not count as qualifying electronic deposits. Otherwise, a 4.95 monthly service fee will apply. New and converted accounts will not be charged a monthly service fee for at least the two statement period. And after that, the monthly service fee will apply unless you meet one of the ways to avoid the monthly service fee each statement period if applicable. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.